Welcome back to Glamour Kids Braids. We're about to start this color. Let's go. Welcome back, fam. Thank you all for joining me while we apply this color to my princess hair. Now her hair was cornrowed and two-strand twist the day before. I'm applying just a little bit of water, spritzing some water onto her twist only. Try not to apply water onto her braids to avoid some frizz. Now today we're going to start off with some color wax, and this is all natural, non-toxic color wax. This brand is by Mysteek Naturals. This video is not sponsored. This was bought with my hard-earned money. I found this brand of color wax on Instagram, and it's from a small Black-owned business. Okay, love supporting my small minority businesses. Okay, so my princess is just showing you guys how she apply her aqua blue. I'm applying the purple, and basically when I apply the color wax onto the hair, I try to go in the same direction as her twists are going, so we won't disturb the twist pattern. We want to try to avoid frizz as much as possible. So if a 9-year-old can help color her hair, I'm sure the adults would not have any problems at all. All right. Now this is a great bonding moment for mother and child. Now I suggest that dads, you can do it too. It can be a great bonding moment for daddy and daughter, okay? Don't mind your fingers. It does not stain your fingers at all. Now the directions are very clear. Now you can apply this with gloves or without gloves. We chose to do it without gloves, knowing that it stated it's not staining. So we just gave it a shot, okay? This is our first time doing this. I thank you all for just, tagging along while we go through this temporary color journey. So here she's trying to change up her color from purple to blue. I'm like, girl, just grab some color and just add it on there. Okay, just add it on there. But children, they want to do their own thing, so let's let her have it. All right. Just add a little bit more. Come on now. I think she has the hang of it. What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think so far. Comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification button. We would love to bring more content to you. All right, so we are done with the front. I am going to do the back and the middle all by myself. Whew, thank goodness, because she was just slowing me up. Joking, guys. All right, so I just basically spritz the back and the middle of her twist just a little bit more with some water, because I knew it dried up. You know how natural hair goes. All right, so I'm applying the colors. I'm going to be mixing the aqua blue and the purple up. Well, I'm not going to be mixing them up together. I'm just going to be, sporadically mixing the colors, if that makes sense. Single colors. Okay, all right. Okay, so I am I am adding the color in the same direction of the twist. So it looks like I twisted going left. Here we go, closer up. This is how it looks. Now that's a sample size, guys. I think that, yeah, that's a sample size that I have. All right, so just add a little bit. Just wanted to show you up close how I add and how I twist the color on in the same direction of the twist. Okay. All right, I think that might have been the last one. Oh, nope. There we go. I think she just wanted to be nosy. What do you guys think? Girl, just stay on your Switch and watch YouTube. Because that's what she does. YouTube or Fortnite. Okay, so it is a creamy base texture. It is a very creamy base texture. It's not hard at all. And it's not liquidy. So it's the right texture, okay? All right. So I'm just adding a little bit more color. Okay. All right, and I think that should be it. Okay, now we have to let it dry. But wait, not yet. Look at my fingers. You see that? Now, let me show you how I am going to get this off. Just take me a little wet wipe. Let's see if it really comes off. You guys think it's gonna come off? Do you think it's gonna come all the way off? Or do you think it's gonna stay in my hand? Let's see. Drum roll, please. It looks like it did come off. Well, only one wet wipe. Now, of course, I am going to wash my hands with water and soap, but I just wanted to let you all know. See how easy it came off? So it doesn't stain your hands. One wet wipe, and it gets it right off, okay? Wow, I am really impressed. It came off with just one wet wipe. Very impressed. All right, I'm just gonna show you really fast how it looks before it completely dries. Whoa, 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 camera, whoa, 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 hold it, hold it. Okay, so right here we are going to dry her hair as much as possible. Dry the color as much as possible. Now, this is optional. I don't think you have to do it, but because she's getting ready to go to bed in about 3 hours, I wanted to go ahead and dry her hair, making sure that the color stays put and to dry it. Now, if she was just going outside to play, I will just let it air dry. Now we are going to just dry with the diffuser. All right, here I am just doing some last minute touches. I am just going to just add a little edge control. Now we are not doing any baby hairs, okay? No baby hairs for this princess, not today. All right. Just smoothing the edges, laying down that hair. And her twists are very thick. Now she has about 4B, 4C hair, 4D, and 4E. Alright, so her twists look good. Naturally, her hair stays put because she has a very thick texture. Oh, she's checking herself out, guys. What you guys think? She likes it. Mikey, she likes it. Alright, just gonna show you the variations of the color. Look how that color just blends in so good. Purple and blue. Thank you all for watching. Have a glam day.